Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set finger lock in WhatsApp. We start by opening our WhatsApp app. We start by blocking the entire WhatsApp application. To do this, click on the 3 points and then on Settings. Then click on Privacy. In here, go down and click on Fingerprint Lock. Now we will activate the Unlock with Fingerprint option. To activate this option, you must have a fingerprint registered on the phone and confirm its reading. Choose the time for automatic blocking as well as whether or not you want to show the content in WhatsApp notifications. After that, you will see that when you leave and enter the application, you will need your registered fingerprint. If you want to track only a specific contact, first enter their conversation. Then click on their name at the top and then enter the chat lock option. Here you will have to activate the option to lock this chat with fingerprint. Confirm by putting your fingerprint. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. From now on, this chat will be in the blocked chat section and you will need to enter your fingerprint to open it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.